Hi guys, this is Nikolai and this is my DJI Mavic 2 Pro for sale post. I have the full package, so let's start with the primary things. So this is the drone. As you can see, in a very decent condition. Yes, I flew it, but never abused it. Never fell down. All three batteries are fresh. My original ones got swallowed some time ago, so I replaced them. I probably recharged them maybe 10 times at most. This is the controller, not the sole box that comes with the default Mavic 3 AR2S. This is a good one with telemetry and such, many buttons, pretty much like RC Pro, but without the screen. Well, some screen at least. I have the guards. For the batteries, I have the case, three of them. Original bundle case and DJI Tech, very good, I use it all the time. Of course I have other things, the charger, etc. I am going to throw in even the tablet holder. And as you can see, it all comes with the boxes and such, all the original documentation, so nothing is missing. Now for the extras, I have the DJI Goggles Racing Edition. Very low usage, maybe used like 1 at most. And they come with the case, which hold it all. Very nice, sturdy. You can obviously fit the drone and the goggles in it. And kinda something to look at. I thought of doing some fun with the night shooting, but I never get to that so well. So, with that in mind, here it all. Hope you like it, and give me a call if you want it.